Welcome to ESL Class 101, where English is made simple and learning is made fun.
Let's kick things off with a warm-up activity. Spot the right sentence. Here's how it works. Read the situation carefully and pick the sentence that fits best. Ready? Let's dive right in. Here is the situation. Brad lives in the city center. He moved there when he was a student and has lived there ever since. Surprisingly, he has only been to the supermarket twice during this time. Now, select the sentence that best describes Brad. Here are the options. A. Brad has been to the supermarket twice since he has lived in the city center. B. Brad has been to the supermarket twice since he lived in the city center. The correct answer is option A. Brad has been to the supermarket twice since he has lived in the city center. The present perfect tense, has lived, indicates that Brad still resides in the city center, making it consistent with the present perfect structure of the first sentence. In contrast, option B uses the past simple, lived, which implies that Brad no longer lives in the city center, and thus does not suit the situation. This is just the start of today's discussion. We will explore more about how the past simple and present perfect tenses work with time expressions like since. Stay tuned. Let's break it down. When using since, the time clause typically takes the past simple, showing when an event started. The main clause uses the present perfect, linking it to the present moment. Here's how it works. In since Sarah started her new job, she has learned new skills. Started signals the past, while has learned reflects the ongoing effect. Similarly, in he has not visited his friends since he moved to the countryside, moved marks the past event, and has not visited shows the current impact. Now for the exception. When both the main clause and the time clause describe situations that continue into the present perfect tense is used in both. Here's the exception in action. In I have met so many great people since I have lived here, have lived, shows that the living situation is ongoing, matching the main clause. Similarly, in she has enjoyed her time here since she has been part of the team, has been, reflects her continued role on the team. To wrap up, remember, the past simple in the time clause and the present perfect in the main clause are your go-to choices. For ongoing situations, the present perfect works well in both clauses. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll master these advanced functions of the past simple and the present perfect with ease. And that's all for today. I'll see you in our next discussion.